perfectly preheating your oven for lasagna.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're answering a very common question. What temperature should I preheat my oven to for cooking lasagna? Let's dive into the specifics to help you create the perfect lasagna every time.
Why is preheating important?
Before we answer the question, let's understand why preheating the oven is so important when baking lasagna. A preheated oven guarantees that your lasagna will cook evenly, with the ingredients reaching their optimal texture and flavor at the same time. This is crucial for layered dishes like lasagna, where different ingredients have different cooking times.
The ideal preheating temperature.
Now, let's answer the main question. The ideal temperature to preheat your oven to for cooking lasagna is generally 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or approximately 190 degrees Celsius. This temperature will ensure that your lasagna cooks evenly, with the pasta becoming tender, the cheese melting, and the sauce bubbling beautifully.
Adjusting temperature for different lasagna recipes.
While 375 degrees Fahrenheit is the usual standard, some recipes might require a slightly different temperature, particularly if you're using non-traditional ingredients or if the lasagna is thicker than usual. Always make sure to check your recipe for specific instructions. So there you have it. The perfect temperature to preheat your oven to for most lasagna recipes is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, the key is to ensure even and thorough cooking. We hope this guide helps you create the most delicious lasagna. Happy cooking!